Hey everyone, it's Bill Seagross with Clip Software. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for your customers to pay their invoices through the customer portal on CLIPitc when you have a Clip Payments account set up. I'm going to log in as a customer and I'm going to be able to pay my invoice. There's a payment type dropdown and card information forms to fill out. Your customer can save their info there, and it makes it easier for them if they have regular service, and is easier for you as you don't have to worry about when you're getting paid. We understand that in order for your customers to trust your company with all of the payment information, they need assurances, and that's why Clip Payments is backed by our partners at Card Connect. They're industry leaders in PCI compliance, so you don't have access to the credit card information, and everything's secured to Card Connect's encrypted servers. The Invoice tab is where your customers can pay any outstanding invoices. The History tab lets them see their history of visits, services that were skipped, and payments. For each of these items, they can see the date and the service description. If the customer has multiple properties, those are listed here. The Service Notes tab gives your customers a place to leave a note about a job you've done for them. It will also allow them to congratulate, comment on, or offer feedback about the service you provided. They have the ability to request service via the Request Service tab. When a customer requests service there, it'll generate an email to you. We've separated Service Notes and Request Service so that they can be routed to the right people. You may want all of your service notes to go to a crew leader and all the service requests to go to office staff. You get to choose. I hope that gives you a better picture of how using Clip Payments and the customer portal in CLIPitc can help automate your interaction with your customers. If you're interested in more information about Clip Payments, head over to clip.com/clippayments. And if you need help setting up your customer portal, please reach out to us by using the chat icon at the bottom of CLIPitc, by email at service@clip.com, or by calling us at 1-800-635-8485. And remember, your success is our passion.